Around noon, take a walk up here at the last row. I'll show you a little bit of what's going on. Past couple years, this is where we parked, where the 57 was, right here on the corner. Parked down a little bit further this year. Amusement park is open right next to us. They have a water park as part of it. Jiffy John's up here in the back row. I'm in the very top area. If you can see down over. This is where you come in, the back row here where the red 55's coming in. I'll walk down this row. When the races are going on, there's no music over the loudspeaker, which is not good for me. Music. This is Larry Gardner's 57 hardtop 210. I don't know if you ever saw one like this, but it has 210 on the side. Very rare car. It says only 22,300 made. 69,000 actual miles. The only 57 Chevy in the world, autographed by Dale Earnhardt. Yeah, I'll show you a picture down here. Larry's a friend of ours that we've met through Classic Chevy years ago. Show you the inside here. All flavors. Hardtops, convertibles, sedans, post cars, chopped cars. Somebody asked if this is chopped, and I'm just seeing that yes, it was. When you chop it the 2 inches, you can use the windshield from a hardtop. It's 2 inches shorter when you do that. We had a hardtop. When you get in the hardtop and you have a sedan, you end up hitting your head, you forget to duck. There's George. Hey, George.
How you doing?
He didn't want to be filmed. I thought he was ignoring me. George walks around, takes pictures at pretty much any big show. He goes up to Detroit every year and the Autorama. They let him in at nighttime. He photos the cars. He goes to Super Chevy and photos for them. Nice under the trees here. Get sap from on your cars, but you stay cool. Did turn out beautiful today. I'd take a guess and say it's 83, 85. I think it's supposed to go up to 88. As far as I know, no rain. A little darker than the Sierra Gold. There, there's Sierra Gold next door to it. Almost like a root beer darker color. And nice Nomad up there. Walk up and see that. I don't remember seeing that before. And I think I'm running out of time. I'm on past 4 minutes, so I'll have to shut it off. Not sure how much I'm going to be able to post. Very nice.